In this video, we'll talk about another common mistake I see on websites, and that mistake is not giving people somewhere to go or something to do when they get to the end of the page. You're just leaving them stranded. Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator, and if you're following along with my Squarespace pre-launch checklist, welcome back. If you don't have that checklist yet, I'll drop a link below so you can grab it. It covers everything that you need to do before you launch or that you should check that you did after you launch. I am back in our example from the previous video on how to create scannable, easily readable text. And in that example, we looked at what we often see on websites, just like a big block of text. And if you look at this page, you'll also see that there is nothing to do when you get to the end of this page. There are links in the footer, which is good, but there's no call to action. You might also see this abbreviated as a CTA that really directs your site visitor somewhere else. And we want to make it as easy as possible for them to take the next step. Now, sometimes this means getting in touch or it can mean visiting another page, but in our past example, when we were looking at the text here and we pulled it apart so it's easy to scan and read, we also included this call to action section. Now, you could end with just a button in a section like this, or a final call to action entire block to really direct people to that next step. And here that is to book a consultation. So take a look at all of your website pages and just make sure that you're giving people something to do, somewhere to go once they get to the end of a page. Now, you might also wonder, what about the contact page? Where should they go from there? Well, you are giving them something to do here. You're asking them to get in touch. That is the call to action that you want them to take. So typically that's the only call to action for the contact page, is to reach out. But for other pages like the about page or services page, give people something to do, book a consultation, or somewhere else to go. So, for example, on the services page, you could direct them to book a consultation, or you could direct them to learn more about your team. Just don't leave them stranded. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment below, as that helps other people find my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.